everyone, it's Kezzy over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is space where I share all my love for makeup, beauty and all that jazz. Today's video is going to be all about SENA nails. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to share with you what I have received from the brand. A big thank you to SENA Nails for giving me this beautiful opportunity to collaborate yet again with them. Today's video is just going to be a bit of a PR haul and showing you what nail sets I have received. And yeah, I'm so excited. So if you want to see what I received from SENA Nails, then keep on watching and I hope you enjoy today's video. So let's begin. I'm really happy and blessed and so grateful to SENA Nail. SENA Nail is a nail company basically that sells press-on nails, toenail wraps and nail wraps. So it's basically you buying something that you can do from the comfort of at your own home, basically with also affordable prices. I've done a video previously on SENA Nail and if you want you can check it out. I'll link it over here or over here in the description box. I don't know where you're gonna see it because I always get confused which side is which. I also have a discount link down below, which basically you click it, you will be led to the website of SENA Nail. So if you buy 3 press-ons, you will get 3 toenail wraps for free. But then if you add something else to your cart, you will get the same amount of toenail wraps for free. So say you buy 5 things, you get 5 free toenail wraps basically. I am there for your toes basically to make them pretty. So yes, I just wish to say again a big thank you to SENA Nail because I'm honestly so grateful. I've also applied a set of nails as well, which I will show you which ones these are very shortly because I filmed a reel before this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the press-on nail sets and the nail wraps as well, and you will choose one set for me to try on and share in a YouTube video for you on how to apply them. Comment down below which one you like best and I will apply that one. So let's begin. So let me just start by showing you the boxes that I have. So this is the first press-on nail set. So each press-on nail set comes in this cute box. You will get 24 different nail pieces basically, but also inside you will get adhesive tabs. So you will get 2 sets. Adhesive tabs are these ones right here, which I love using because these actually help your nails that they don't get damaged, because sometimes when you apply nail glue your nails do get damaged, but with these it's like very safe for your nails and it doesn't affect the nail itself. And then you will also get a nail file and it says SENA Nail, which I think is really cute. And then you'll get this one, which is a manicure stick. That helps as well when it comes to filing them down, preparing them for the nails themselves. And yes, it's a good prep for your nails. Personally for me, when you apply nails with adhesive tabs, they would last 1 to 2 days. I do not feel that they last longer for me, but I don't know if I'm like applying them wrongly, but I'll keep basically applying them and seeing if I'm doing something wrong or whatnot. But what I actually learned is that when you apply your nails, it's so important to not wet your nails with water because that kind of soaks into the adhesive tab and that is what makes then the adhesive tab not last long. So it's very important that at least like up to I don't know, I'm literally trying to like leave them for like 3 hours and not wash them, and that helps with the longevity of your nails. But yeah, with these are with adhesive tabs and as you can see they're very sturdy, so that's cool. So now let me show you the different sets I have and what their names are. This first one is actually called Queen Stria, and these are like the black and white craze using these black lines with white ballerina press-on nails. So these are absolutely gorgeous and I will look forward to applying them. These are the ones that I have on. These are called Santa Barbara nails, and well, basically I can show them to you guys. Look at the quality, guys. Honestly, like the quality of these nails are beautiful. They fit on my nails really well, and I still have left some nails as well left over. They cater for different sizes as well. This is the box from the inside. Obviously the rest of the nails are all applied on me, but these are Santa Barbara, and actually wore these because I posted on stories on my Instagram, and this was the nail set that you guys liked the most. This one is called Wild Fuchsia. These are pink short press-on coffin nails, which will give your look extra femininity. So cute. I love that they come in different shapes, different sizes, that they come in different styles as well. Some are matte, some are glittery, some are glossy. So you have quite a variety of nails. And then we have these ones over here. These are the night sky ones. And they're like purple short almond glitter press-on nails. Yes, they're glitter. And they're designed with shimmer to complement your glowing beauty. The ones I had tried in my previous video were the purple glitter ones, and boy, I absolutely love them. So this one is called Metal Brown, and they basically are brown short almond metallic press-on nails. And so there's the metallic style as well, which is absolutely stunning. And oh my god, I just would imagine wearing these in like winter and like Christmas time as well. And don't worry, I have some like holiday nails as well. So these are the stiletto nails, Rosy Stiletto. On the description of these nails, it says, when you doubt your outfit, put these long glossy pink stiletto press-on nails. These could be what you only need to feel and look pretty. I thought that was really cute. I love the description that they have for them on their website as well. So these are called Creamy Eggplant. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're absolutely beautiful. Again, they're purple pink tie-dye short coffin press-on nail. I think I love the short coffin nails basically. And that is the proper color of the Creamy Eggplant. And then we have these ones. These ones are called Rosy Wild. And again, they have like those black lines across them. And again, these are short ballerina press-on nails, because the coffin ones, they have like, they're lined, and then the ballerina are like curved basically. These are called Royal Amethyst. And again, these have the purple almond matte metallic press-on nails, which look elegant and chic. They're absolutely beautiful. I love purple, as you saw in my previous SENA nail video, and I cannot wait to put these on. These last two are so cute. They're like holiday nail sets over here. So we have one, which is the Halloween one, which is called Chibi, I think, Chibi Ghost. And these are the long ones. There's also the short version ones of these. And then this one is called Holiday Spirit. So, oh my god, for Christmas, I will definitely, and Halloween, put these on. Oh my days, I'm so excited. I never had like holiday press-on nails, so that's really exciting. So now I have some nail wraps to show you guys. I'm going to just show them to you. I have never tried them on yet, so I will definitely be doing a video on these nail wraps because I would love to see how they apply. At the moment, I currently have quite short nails, but I still wish to try and get into them. So I have quite a bit to try out. They really spoiled me. I'm so grateful. And yeah, the package of the nail wraps, they come like this. And again, you still get that nail file and that cuticle stick, which I thought it was really sweet. I have this one, which is so beautiful. I have been loving this green color. It's cute as well. It's like cherry blossoms in a way. So I have these 3 different toenail wraps. At the moment, I'm still getting my toes done because for summer I like getting my toes done. But once I will take them off, I will try apply these ones. So yes, and don't forget, if you click on the link, you can get some free toenail wraps. Those are all the nails that I have received from SENA Nail. I'm so grateful. I absolutely love the nails. I mean, as I told you guys, the quality is beautiful. The different styles, the different textures, the different patterns, the different nail sizes, like, you're really sorted. And I don't know, I look at my nails now and I'm like, okay, this is how I like them being. I don't like them being without nails, but I say this in lots of videos. But because I work at hospital, I cannot really have nails on. So when it comes to the weekend, I'm like, hey, I can put these on and I can easily remove them as well, because that's what I also like about adhesive tabs. They're very easy to remove. You don't damage the nail itself as well, and you don't damage your nail as well. So then you can reuse them, and that is what I like. Because with glue, sometimes I find that it damages the nail itself. It damages your nail as well, and then like you cannot keep reusing them because then the nail kind of gets, you know, the press-on nail kind of gets, not stick it any longer. But with these and with the adhesive tabs, it's just easy to reapply and to reuse, and that is what I love about about these. So yeah, I just look at them, and like even I'm just looking at the camera finder and the quick finder, I don't know what it's called, but he's so cute. I love them a lot, and I don't know, I feel girly, I feel me, I feel happy. I like the thumb as well. I don't know if I've showed you the top. This is called Santa Barbara, the one I have on. I'll link all the nails that I've mentioned down below. Like I told you guys, please select one of the press-on nail kits that I've shown you. I will make a dedicated video on how to apply them, how I apply them, and maybe if I've learned some ways and hacks of how to keep them a bit longer. Okay, I'm just going to end the video here. I'm so grateful, and I cannot wait to share more SENA nail content with you guys. And also follow me on Instagram because I will be posting there as well. That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!